Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Chrome installed. Download the installer using Edge, then run it. Once done, sign into your Google account if you want synced bookmarks and passwords. Make sure you have admin rights so the installer can set defaults. If you use a work device, check policies first. While Chrome installs, review Edge extensions you might want to migrate. This moves the process quickly while preserving your data and preparing the system to accept Chrome as the main browser. Now change defaults. Open your OS settings, go to Default Apps or Equivalent and choose Google Chrome. Once selected, assign Chrome to handle HTML, HTTP, HTTPS, and other web protocols so links open correctly. If a prompt asks to set as default, approve it. Make sure to import bookmarks and passwords during the first run so you don't lose data. This step ensures continuity. After assigning file types and protocols, verify by opening a link from another app to confirm Chrome launches. Finish by adjusting Chrome settings, set startup pages, enable sync, and review privacy options. Once complete, disable any Edge Auto Start features that try to reclaim links. If links still open in Edge, reboot. If that fails, return to Default Apps and reselect Chrome, or use the OS option to reset defaults, then reassign Chrome. As a tip, if profile or policy restrictions block the change, contact your administrator or remove the conflicting policy. This resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.